In this video, I'm going to show you one way you can make reels on your iPhone using Facebook or Instagram that's super quick, easy, and really good. So take out your phone, turn on the video so that you're recording yourself. Talk to your camera, tell your audience whatever you think that it's going to be good, and then we're going to stop recording and then upload that video onto Facebook so that it will automatically do the captions. And then there's some other things we can do inside of that platform.
Then you're going to head over to Facebook and you're going to want to create a reel. And there's lots of different places you can do that, but go to your business page and you'll probably find it right here under a new post. You can just click the reel button. Now there are other locations to create a reel, but this is a great place to do it. So then you're going to start a new reel and you're going to pick that video that you recorded of yourself.
Talk to your camera, tell your audience whatever you think that it's going to be good.
So you see on the side menu, you have lots of options, but the first thing you can do is hit the captions button and it's automatically going to transcribe your audio, and it actually does a pretty good job. Now, as you can see, I've got options here. I can change the colors, I can change the background, I can change the type of font, I can move the location, I can change words. So if I hit the edit captions buttons, so if something's transcribed wrong, I can edit it. I can squeeze it to make it bigger or smaller and twist it and rotate it and put it in different places. Now also you see on the side I have lots of other options such as stickers and GIFs and emojis. Those are all found under the sticker button. So if I hit the sticker at the top, you might not be able to see it, but I got stickers, GIFs, and emojis. I can click on those, insert them, drag them, rotate them, make them larger or smaller, delete them, whatever I need to do to add some flair or whatever to my reel. Now I've got lots of different options inside of here to make a really good video. I also can hit the edit button in the bottom and I can go in and add more audio or more video so I can use multiple video clips in one reel. I can trim this up, mess with the audio, all sorts of options. Now, when I'm done with all that, I want to hit the next button, and at the very bottom, there's a save, and I can download it to this device.
Now that I've saved this video to my device, I can upload it into Canva. And what I can do is go here to my Canva account, type in reel, and that's going to give me automatically the right formatting for an Instagram or Facebook reel. By the way, reels are the only thing that you can record and upload to every platform without having to edit anything. It can go right into Pinterest and TikTok and Instagram and everything else. So anyways, I can pick one of these, or I can start with a blank one. I can make my own, and then I can add borders and I can add words and letters and things like that. Then I can upload my video into here. You see, I've also uploaded my logo. I can upload my video, drag it and drop it right there. And then I'm going to have my own video created with my colors. I can change the colors in the background, the colors of the border, and the words and everything. My colors, my font, all my branding, put it right in there. And then what's even cooler is now I've got a template. So all my videos, all my reels can be dropped right in here. Just change the words at the top, change whatever else needs to be changed, a different video, of course, and I can quickly upload lots and lots of reels. Okay, I hope that helped. Talk to your camera, tell your audience whatever you think that it's going to be good, and then we're going to